Hi friends, today we'll discuss about depreciation. Fixed assets get used up in business over a long period of time. So in business, you buy lot of fixed assets. It may be sofa, it may be a table or it may be a computer. These are used up over a long period. The process of charging depreciation on the fixed assets so that each year the fixed assets are shown at a lesser value in the balance sheet. So when you buy a land, year by year value will be appreciated. Then it is called income, because if you buy a land at 1 lakh rupees and next year it becomes 2 lakhs, then you have a 1 lakh income. The same way, when you buy a fixed asset, it may be a sofa, it may be a chair, it may be a computer, and next year this value will go down. Year 1 you buy a sofa for 1 lakh, and next year it will become 70,000 or 80,000. So that is for the expenditure. So that how to show that expenditure, how to pass the entries, this is called depreciation. Depreciation is the accounting process adopted for the gradual conversion of asset cost into expenses. Okay, already we have discussed. So first year I'll buy a fixed asset. How gradually this asset will be converted into a expenses? Because if you buy everything in first year and you book everything as expenditure, then your company or your organization goes to loss. So gradually will convert the asset into the expenditure. There has to be a charge for depreciation each year against profits. So when your expenses are more, then your profit will be less. Automatically your profit will be less. So today we'll discuss about straight line method. Straight line method is fixed percentage of the original cost of the asset is written off the each year. See, original cost means 1 lakh rupees. You bought a furniture for 1 lakh rupees. So every year fixed percentage. So 1 lakh, if I say 20%, every year 20,000 will be depreciated. Means every year 20,000 will be debited from the expenses and credited to the assets. So in my example, asset worth is 1 lakh. Considered a depreciation percentage is 20%. In this method, at the end of the fifth year, the value of the asset will be zero. This asset will be depreciated by 20,000 every year, because the original cost is 1 lakh rupees. Depreciation percentage is 20%. Every year I'll calculate depreciation 20%, 20,000 rupees. So after 5 years, the asset value becomes zero. So you can see my asset calculation. So year 1, I bought a 1 lakh rupees worth of table and sofa, and I paid the amount to the vendor or shop owner. So now my asset is in debit 1 lakh rupees. So every year I'm debiting 20,000 from my depreciation. This is expenses and crediting to the asset. So you can see every year I calculated 20,000 on the asset purchased value. So after 5 years this asset value will become zero. You can see in my statement also. In account statement, first it is showing debit 1 lakh rupees. Every year 20,000 is credited. So if you take account balance on fifth year, it is become zero. So it is straight line method. So we have another method, written down value of reducing balance method. Fixed percentage of the reduced or written down value of the asset is charged to the profit and loss account every year. So in previous example, straight line method, always your percentage on the purchased value. But in this method, it will be like diminishing, reducing. So you bought it for 1 lakh rupees. First year 20,000 is depreciated. Next month or next year we'll calculate on the 80,000. So as an asset worth of 1 lakh rupees and depreciation percentage 20%, in this method the value of the asset will never be zero, because every time 80,000 and you will calculate 20% 80,000, like that it never becomes zero. First year the depreciation is 20,000. So same thing like 20%. second year the value is become 80,000, so I'll calculate 20% on 80,000, and third year it will become 64,000, then I'll calculate depreciation on the 64,000. So you see my example. So I taken the same example, two methods. 1 lakh is my purchase price, 20% is the depreciation. This is the reducing balance. Other one is the straight line method. So in this method you can see like first year 20,000 is depreciated, then 16,000, then 12,800, and 10,240, then 8,192. So always we are calculating depreciation on the reducing balance, not the purchase price. So in previous my example it has become 0, but you can see in this example after 5 years still the asset value is 32,768 rupees. So this is a reducing calculation method. This video is prepared with the blessings of Sri Pushpagiri Sharada Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Peetam, Peetadipati Sri Nusrimha Bharati Swami Garu. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends.